Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and thorough product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of microscopy, where precision and detail matter. And what better way to explore it than with the TOMLOV 1000X error coin microscope? This isn't just any microscope. It's the best high-power microscope on the market. Let's uncover why. First up, let's talk about the display. Unlike traditional microscopes, the TOMLOV comes equipped with a generous 4.3-inch LCD screen. Say goodbye to eye strain and hello to real-time crisp images and videos, all without relying on Wi-Fi or signals. But wait, there's more. With additional adjustable LED illumination, you have full control over the lighting. No more pesky reflections, just clear visibility on the screen. Now, let's zoom into the details. With a magnification range from 50 to 1000X, you can explore the microscopic world like never before. Whether you're a curious teen, an avid coin collector, or an engineer, this microscope has you covered. But it doesn't stop there. This microscope isn't confined to its stand. You can detach it for outdoor exploration. Flexibility and versatility at your fingertips. And for all you tech enthusiasts out there, connecting to your PC is a breeze. No need for extra software downloads. Simply plug and play with Windows compatibility. Sorry Mac users, you'll have to sit this one out. In conclusion, the TOMLOV 1000X error coin microscope isn't just a tool, it's a gateway to discovery. With its advanced features, ease of use, and unparalleled clarity, it's no wonder why it's the best high-power microscope out there. So, if you're ready to uncover the microscopic wonders of the world, look no further than the TOMLOV. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy exploring!